Hello everyone, this is Pasupati Banya, and today I will be introducing you the new modules course, which is we'll be talking about the Internet Protocol version 6, which is also known as IPv6. And before going to the main lectures of the IPv6, first I would like to make a video about the overall overview of this course. And obviously, this is Internet Protocol version 6, which is the latest revision of the Internet protocols, which is Internet protocols also stand for IP. And the first version of the protocols to be widely deployed, IPv6 was deployed by the Internet Engineer Task Force IETF to deal with the long anticipated problems of IPv4 and its exhaustions. This tutorial will help you to understand IPv6 and associated terminology along with the appropriate references and examples. And before you take this course, let me discuss about the audience that this course is designed for the beginners to understand the basic concept of IPv6 and that required to work with any TCP/IP basic protocols. After completing this course, you will be find yourself at the moderate level of expertise of IPv6, from where you can do the yourself to the next level. And before beginning this course, there is some prerequisite uh, to watch this course, and we assume that you are already aware of the basic computers and the network concepts such as what is protocols, why do we need protocols, network rails, and thus many of the things that come inside the computer networks and the network protocols. And this is the first video of the IPv6 overview of the course. We talk about the course and the audience this course is designed for, and what are the prerequisites to start this course. So see you on the next video. Have a good time. Bye bye.